Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I am here with a new video for you. Actually, it's kind of old. Someone asked me to make a video with the alphabet, the letters, the names of the letters, and the sounds that they make. And I remember I made one a long time ago, 5 years ago. So I thought I would share this old video with you. This is one of my very first videos on YouTube, and it was just the alphabet. So let's go see what that looks like. Right. So in English, this letter is A. Okay, that's the capital A. Two forms. And this is just the capital, right? This is the one you'll see on your computer, A. Now, we'll look at the next one. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't. Next letter is B. B. Just the capital B. Next letter, C. C. See? Next letter, D, D. Next letter, E, E. Of course, these are uppercase and capital. There's letter F. Letter G, G, G. H, H, H. I, I. J, J, J. K, K. K, L, 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 M, M, so my lips are closed, M, N, see my mouth is open, N, N, O. Everybody knows O. We have O in pretty much all languages. P. P. Some lips together. P. Q. 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 R. 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 Set up. Some people mix up R and L, but they are two distinct letters in English and two distinct sounds. S, S, continuous airflow. T, T, T. Your tongue is hitting behind your teeth. T. U, U. U. These are just the names of the letters, not necessarily the sounds they represent. Like V. When I say V, you notice my lip goes into my teeth, or my teeth go over my lip. V, V. Like in Spanish, right? V and B are pretty much the same sound. There's no distinction. But in English, the V is distinct from the B. So B will be two lips together, B, and V will be just your bottom lip, D. W, W, W. Although we don't see this letter a lot in Spanish, it still exists, and you will see it a lot in English. Okay, W. In Spanish is double V, but in English is double U. Then we have X, 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 which you almost never see in Spanish, but here it is in English. You'll find very few words that start with the letter X, but a lot of words that end with the letter X. Next is Y. In Spanish, I think it's Y, which means Greek I. I guess they're two separate letters, but Y and I in English produce the same sound in Spanish. But in English, we're focusing on English. That is letter Y. And last but not least, we have the letter Z. Z, which is also kind of rare in Spanish, but in English you'll see it's not that common in English either, but it exists. Okay, so we'll do a quick review. A, B, C, pay attention to my lips. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, how did you like that? Please let me know. Were you able to repeat the letters in English? Was that easy or difficult? All right, I am going to end this video now. I will see you all next time. Bye.